Regular maintenance of your appliance is important to keep it operating effectively and prolong the lifespan of the product. Before carrying out any maintenance tasks, unplug the machine and be sure to detach the hose from the valve before moving. You may wish to isolate your water supply prior to doing this to avoid leaks. Over time, residue from your washing powder or liquid can collect in your detergent drawer, clogging up the drains and causing your machine to clean less effectively. Regular cleaning of the detergent drawer can prevent this. Simply remove the drawer from the machine and soak in warm water, using an old toothbrush or cloth to remove any excess detergent. Most washing machines have a pump filter located on the front of the appliance. Regular cleaning is essential as this collects everything from hair and lint to tissues. It is important to place a towel down on the floor to catch any leaks that may come out of the pump filter. Once you have done this, open the hatch, remove the filter, and clear away all the debris before reattaching the filter and hose. Your user manual will advise on the frequency of cleaning required. If you notice any damage to your garments, check for any damage inside the door. Use a torch to scan for any debris that may be in the inside of the doorway. It could indicate a problem with the door, frame or seal that needs addressing, as this could lead to leaks. Frequently washing your clothes at low temperatures can cause build-up of bacteria, which leave unpleasant odours in your drum. After every wash, leave the door ajar. This allows residual moisture in the drum to dry out, preventing bacterial growth. For more information, please refer to your user manual or visit www.argos-support.co.uk.